And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking south towards lovely but cloudy downtown Lethbridge. Just a little while ago that shot was taken. Right now we are under cloudy skies still. -7 is where we're at, and that's exactly what Mike LeBlanc and I were talking about this morning on 98.1 CKVN radio for the morning show. We were saying, yeah, our high will probably get to -7 degrees today, and here we are. Humidity, however, is elevated at 63%, and therein lies the reason, that cooler air mass and then the elevated humidity. That's why we've got that cloud cover. Temperatures are all on the cool side right now, well below average, especially here for us in Lethbridge. We should be at +1 for this time of year, so that Arctic outflow certainly has influenced us here. It's a very broad area of Arctic high pressure that extends from the Continental Divide all the way into the border between Manitoba and Ontario. So it's a very far-reaching system, very deep as well, extending all the way up into the Northwest Territories. But what it's doing is just creating a little bit of cloud cover here for us. We don't have any precipitation making its way down to the ground because of that protection. The low pressure center off the BC coast is literally bumping against the high pressure, and it's got nowhere to go. So it's just sort of backing up into the foothills and the mountain areas, especially getting that precipitation. Some areas of precip in mixed conditions with a rain-snow combination, higher elevations seeing that snowfall. And that's the situation for the weekend. Now, as we get into Monday, that area of high pressure is going to start to recede and break down a little bit. So there's where we could see a little bit of that precipitation skipping over the mountains, giving us some light flurry activity. -2 degrees in St. John's right now. We've got two cold fronts that are making their way into the Maritimes and Atlantic Canada. So you've got a rain-snow combination, and as temperatures fall overnight, that'll be turning into snow, some freezing drizzle in some areas. Roads are going to be slick. Thunder Bay at -9 degrees for much of the afternoon. And then you get into the cold stuff. As I said, you hit the border between Manitoba and Ontario, and you push further west, and there's where that cold Arctic air mass has really dug in. Overnight tonight, our low here should be right around -21, but the wind chill will make it feel colder than that. Vancouver is looking for another 3 or 4 wet days because of that low pressure center on the coast. But up north, Whitehorse, Yellowknife, looking at just some sunshine over the next few days, maybe the odd little packet of flurry activity, but pretty nice conditions further north as far as the sunshine goes. Regional forecast for Kootenay, you're looking at, or East Kootenay rather, -9 for an overnight low, cloudy tonight, and then tomorrow mainly cloudy, -1 for a high. West winds at about 20 kilometers per hour in the afternoon, so not bad temperature-wise at all. Crow's Nest Pass, looking at cloudy skies tonight with a chance of light snowfall, -18 degrees for a low. Tomorrow, a sun and cloud mix, -7 degrees for a high. Your winds will be out of the southeast at about 20 kilometers per hour by mid-afternoon. Medicine Hat going down to -23. The wind chill will put you in colder conditions. Clear skies overnight tonight, sunny tomorrow, -8 for a daytime high. And here in Lethbridge, as I said, -21 for an overnight low, but factor in the wind chill. It'll feel colder than that for those people that are camping out for tickets tonight. I feel sorry for you. Few clouds tonight, and then sunny tomorrow, -5 for a daytime high. And you can see that the wind direction does start to change as we get into overnight Saturday into Sunday. It'll be out of the west, so we'll get to 3 degrees. We'll have sunshine, but then we've got a little bit of an upper level system coming through, pulling a northerly flow in for Monday. And there's where we have a chance of seeing some flurry activity as that breakdown of the area of high pressure occurs. 0 for Tuesday for a high, and 2 degrees as we head into Wednesday. So yeah, a little up and down, but certainly not the deep freeze that some other areas are seeing now. Angeline, we want to congratulate her. She's been working to get over a dozen of her senior friends to their medical appointments, and she's been doing this for like 10 or 12 years now. So we have a basket here for you, Angeline. That's a real help for a lot of people. That's it for me. Have a safe weekend, everyone. Tune in tomorrow night for our midnight auction.